So the spark that led to building Workforce, it really started off with us, it's in our tagline, building the home of the AI workforce. We initially launched the sub-agents feature in our platform and got a lot of usage out of that, got a lot of feedback. We pretty much came together, looked at, what do we need to build out to really keep enabling this behavior of allowing our users to build more and more complex and powerful multi-agent systems. So that's where the Workforce feature came about. We saw a lot of users started actually building graphs, diagrams to showcase their own AI workforce. And we thought, hey, why don't we just make that a native experience of building an AI workforce?
So the first thing to do is just to start with a simple use case. One agent is a good start. You set your agent instructions, you give it tools to use. Tools are the things that actually give it the ability to search the web or integrate with third-party integrations. And then once you've got a single use case down, you can think about, okay, as a person, what would I do next? What is the next step in this process? And then you can add an agent for that. And once you've done that, you can start configuring how and when your agents actually work together, when they delegate, when they escalate to humans, and that allows you to build automations that actually match your everyday workflows.
If you think about it from a human perspective, when you're working with someone, you don't define if this then else like statements. It's not as rigid and deterministic, just like how a human team would. You don't have to explicitly define how they have to work with each other. You kind of just bring all the brilliant people in together and they almost figure out a way to complete the task for you. If you think about the future of work or just work in general, right? At present with us, humans, how do we work together? It's always collaborative. As you kind of compound in the different types of agents, the impact it has is actually going to grow. So by creating more and more niche specific agents, which then you can actually get them to collaborate, you can ensure a higher reliability, a higher observability, and also a better accuracy across these tasks. It's because we need multiple different teams to actually build agents and then get the agents to collaborate with each other. So if, customer support team, they're not as technical as engineers, marketing team, they might not be as technical. So we really needed to make it really accessible for everyone so that we can actually make the most powerful workforce that actually reflects your organization. Because your organization is not just a team full of engineers, it's not just a team full of technical people, it's a team full of diverse, different people actually collaborating with each other.
At Relevance, we're very focused on building agentic first products. So Workforce is about doubling down on agents by allowing them to collaborate together to solve more complex and dynamic use cases. The great thing about Workforce is that it's scalable. You can have a workforce that has one agent, solves one problem, then you can easily grow that out into a workforce that has dozens of agents.
So before, when our users wanted to build a multi-agent system on Relevance AI, it was really hard to manage all your agents together. There was no centralized place. There was a lot of clicking in and out. But the way we designed Workforce now is one visual canvas where all your agents are visible and you can manage your entire workforce in a very visual and easy way.